How to use AI to make money online and offline. In the modern era, artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that individuals and businesses are using to create wealth. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, AI offers numerous opportunities to make money both online and offline. Here's a guide to help you tap into its potential. 1. Online opportunities. A. Content creation and monetization. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copied AI can help you write blog posts, ebooks, product descriptions, or social media content in minutes. With quality content. Monetize through affiliate marketing. Sell ebooks and courses. Run ad-supported blogs or YouTube channels. B. Freelancing with AI assistance. Offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer using AI to speed up tasks like writing and editing, logo design via tools like Loka or Midjourney, translation and transcription. C. E-commerce automation. AI tools can help analyze customer behavior, forecast trends, and personalize recommendations. Use platforms like Shopify with AI plugins for smart inventory management, automated customer support via AI chatbots, enhanced marketing strategies. D. Stock trading and crypto. AI-powered bots and platforms, e.g., Trade Ideas, 3 commas, offer data-driven insights for buying/selling in the stock or crypto markets. Caution: always do your research before investing. E. Online tutoring and course creation. Use AI to develop educational content, quizzes, and simulations. You can teach AI-related topics or use AI to simplify any subject, then sell your courses on Udemy, Coursera, or your own site. 2. Offline opportunities. A. Smart business decisions. Entrepreneurs can use AI for demand forecasting, inventory management, optimizing pricing strategies. Tools like Tableau with AI integration or Microsoft Power BI help make data-driven decisions. B. Local services enhanced with AI. Offer AI-enhanced services like smart security system installation, AI-based tutoring using adaptive learning tools, personalized fitness coaching using AI apps. C. AI workshops and training. If you're knowledgeable about AI, organize training sessions for schools, businesses, or community centers. As AI adoption grows, so does the demand for education. D. Farming and agriculture. In rural or suburban areas, AI-powered systems, like drones and soil sensors, can be used for precision farming. Helping farmers adopt these technologies can be a business in itself. 3. Tips for success. Learn continuously. The AI landscape evolves rapidly. Keep learning new tools and trends. Start small. Use free tools and platforms to test ideas before scaling. Solve real problems. Whether online or offline, focus on how AI can solve people's problems or save them time. Market your services. A great service only matters if people know about it. Use digital marketing or word of mouth. AI is not just for tech giants, it's for everyone. With the right approach, creativity, and consistency, you can harness its power to generate income both online and offline. The future is intelligent, and the opportunity is now.